What is up, party people? Welcome back to Ontario, Canada. For the last couple days of our first Canadian leg of the tour, we play Kitchener and Kingston, respectively. We started off with Kitchener, Ontario for a two-show day on Saturday. Here we played the Centre in the Square. This gorgeous theater opened its doors in 1980 and seats just over 2,000 people. We actually got to Kitchener on Friday night and got to play a little Dungeons and Dragons. Some of the people who were playing had never played before, and they got to get a little introduction. We got a lot of nerds on this tour. In Kitchener, we got Michael back, so I was back to my regular track, back to our regularly scheduled programming for the first show. The folks at Centre in the Square were nice enough to feed us in between performances, which was super cool. But then for the second show, we actually were down Daryl and Zoe, so we did a reblock to accommodate that, which means I went on for the role of Jakeith and Mayor. We took off about 10 o'clock Sunday morning to head on to Kingston, Ontario. Kingston has a bustling downtown area, and I'm a big fan. It's right on the water. It's only a few hours away from Kitchener, so it was a pretty easy commute. In Kingston, we played Leon Centre. It's a hockey arena with a capacity of 5,600, though for our setup, we could accommodate about 3,200. Leon Centre is also commonly known by K-Rock Centre, but they changed the name last year. I guess we could say that this show is sponsored by Smokes Poutine, and by that I mean Smokes Poutine came to the arena before the show and actually gave us all some free poutine. I was feeling it by like final countdown that I'd eaten a huge portion of poutine, but well worth it. Smokes Poutine is delicious. Smokes is synonymous for poutine. Go to Smokes for poutine. I'm not just saying that because it was free. It was so good. I'm receiving nothing after the fact by endorsing Smokes. I just think if you're gonna be in Canada and you want poutine, Smokes is where you should go. So, it's been 2 weeks in Canada. I love Canada, but it's gonna be great to get back into the States where my cell phone works better and I can talk to my wife more regularly. And every time she calls me, she doesn't get a busy signal when I'm in the States. So, don't know why that's happening here. Next stop, Binghamton, New York. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams and cheers. We're about to go across the border. Hopefully we don't die. Why would we die? Who suggested that? That's weird. You did. Oh yeah, I did. I'll see you on the other side. We made it. We're not in Canada anymore.